In today's video, we are in Da Nang, Vietnam, checking out the Awaken Hotel, a 5-star luxury beachfront property often labelled as Da Nang's best value luxury hotel. So the big question is, does it actually live up to the hype? If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jordan. I create videos focused on luxury travel and premium experiences around the world. All of my trips are 100% self-funded, so you'll always get an honest, unbiased opinion. If that sounds like your kind of content, hit subscribe and let's get into today's video. As we are now well into December, Awaken is fully embracing the Christmas spirit, and you feel it the moment you step into the lobby. Check-in was smooth and efficient, with staff providing clear and helpful information, which I always appreciate. The lobby itself is huge, offering plenty of space to relax, whether you're arriving or heading out. Awaken first opened its doors in December 2023, boasting 287 rooms and oceanfront views. I really enjoyed the room design here. The TV is seamlessly built into the wall and includes Netflix and YouTube, a small detail but one I always value. Being just 2 years old, the hotel feels very modern throughout, with Awaken branding everywhere, and they've committed to it fully. From bins and trays to even the drains, the attention to detail is seriously impressive. The bed was extremely comfortable. but the standout feature for me was the shower. You simply press the button to select the shower head, a genuine game changer. No more accidentally blasting yourself in the face. Massive thumbs up from me. The mini bar is well stocked and very reasonable priced. I dined at the in-house restaurant Casa Breeze, which is positioned as fine dining, and the service absolutely reflects that. The burger and dessert were both excellent, full of flavour and perfectly portioned. Most rooms also include an F&B voucher, which is a huge plus. In my case, it essentially covered the entire meal. The gym is well equipped with cardio machines, free weights, and even a Smith machine. I was able to get in a solid full workout. If I had to nitpick, there's a slight lack of dedicated leg machines, but that's just me being picky. This gym really is a thing of beauty, with the back memorial being the star of the show. Overlooking the ocean, Awaken opts for a mid-level infinity pool rather than a rooftop setup, which has become a trend with newer hotels in Da Nang. The views and atmosphere here are still excellent, and this infinity pool benefits from a swim-up bar located in the middle. Awaken is definitely family friendly, with a dedicated kids play area located next to the gym and swimming pool. Ideal for families travelling with children. This is one of the most impressive breakfast spreads I've seen in a long time. There's a wide range of Asian and Western options, and I was surprised to see sushi, something you rarely find at hotel breakfasts. The pastry and dessert selection is particularly strong, which Awaken is well known for. At just 250,000 Vietnamese dong per person, this offers outstanding value. There's also a convenience store just a 20-second walk from the front of the hotel, which stocks everything at great prices. Extremely convenient if you want to grab some essentials for your day trips. Located in the lobby, this is the go-to spot if you're a coffee lover. Awaken's pastries and cakes are excellent, definitely worth trying. Awaken delivers phenomenal value for a hotel of this caliber, and it's one I'd happily return to in the future. It competes strongly with other luxury hotels in Da Nang, and priced at just $50 I fully stand behind the claim of it being Da Nang's best value luxury hotel. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow. Join me next time as we're back on Da Nang's beachfront at the prestigious M Signature Hotel. Until then, thanks for watching.